Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Django Tutorials. So in the last video we have learned how to create our first app in Django, in which we printed hello world at our local host. But earlier we said that using Django we can create dynamic websites which are way more attractive, but this is not. So in today's video we'll create our more attractive website. So for that we have to get back to our Visual Studio Code. So we are here. In the previous video we have written this code of printing hello world, where when we send a request from a website, so that reaches on cal.url, where is our home page creation, and then in views.py we get an HTTP response to print hello world. So in today's video we'll print something else and makes our website more attractive. So some of you know how to work on HTML. So in HTML we have different heading sizes of H1, H2 and H3. So in this video we'll use that heading sizes to print more bold and capital fonts. So let's start with it. So we'll write H1 and in the last we'll write /H1. So what do you think? But will this be printed? So let's save our file and get back to our browser. So refreshes and you can see that hello world is printed more bold and in bigger fonts. So let's make some more changes in our website. So get back to our Visual Studio Code. Now some of you know what are templates, but some of you might not. So let me give a basic idea of what are templates. So suppose you go to a website of travel agency. So there you see several images of various destinations with their trip prices, different contact details and many other options. So that is the basic design of that website. So templates are the basic design of website which we use to create our website. So we can also download that from our browser, but also we can create it by just writing code in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started with it. So for that first we'll need to create a file of templates. So click on new folder and write templates. So now when you click on end, you'll see a folder named templates is created, but this folder is empty for now. So now we'll create a new file in our templates for our home page using HTML. So we'll create a file home.html. So click on new file and write home.html. So now in templates home.html file is created. Let's get back to here. So here we write a simple heading, that is by writing H1 heading size. So now we'll write hello world. So to differentiate the output of previous code and now, so we'll put some exclamation marks. So now let's save our file and let's see whether it's working or not. Refresh it. No, it's not working. So we have to make some changes in Visual Studio Code in our calc.views. So here we were receiving an HTTP response to print hello world, but now we have to render a request to access home.html file. So we'll write render, then here we'll send a request request to access a folder that is home.html. So now let's save this and let's see whether now it's working or not. Let's get back to browser, refresh it. Yeah, you can see now this is working. So this is for how to use HTML files in our Visual Studio Code. So let's make some more changes here. So for that, let's get back. Now let's print our name there. No, just writing a name here. We'll pass a request of name here. For that, first we'll go to view.py. Here we will write a name by putting the curly brackets. In that we'll write name, then colon, then your name, Shan. So now let's see it's working or not. Let's save our file, written our name here in home.html and views.py. So let's get to browser, and now you see that hello Shan is printed. So this looks cool. So that's all for this video. We have learned how to access home.html files or HTML files in our Visual Studio Code. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If yes, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.